Time start.
Hello everyone, welcome to Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Today I am going to start on my lecture on board. In front of you I am going to solve everything. I just wish to started these things from the beginning, but due to lockdown, but today it will be possible. Today my topic is Pythagoras theorem for class 9 CBSE and ICSE. So I am not going to waste my time. I just wanted to prove Pythagoras theorem first of all. So my dear friends, Pythagoras is a theorem about a triangle, a right angle triangle, where perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. But how to prove? So I just wish to give you a very easy method. See, this is your square, ABCD square. We know in a square all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Suppose this ABCD, ABCD, ABCD. Here a square means right angle. Right angle. Now suppose 4 points are here which join together. Okay, suppose this is E, F, G, H, and this 4 points gives you a square whose side is C, 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 and this part is A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay, now the figure is looks like this. ABCD is square, where all the sides of a square is divided into A into B, A plus B. I am not telling this is midpoint. I am telling A plus B, A plus B, A plus B, and this figure gives you internal one square. So first of all, what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Now you check in this triangle AEH. Triangle AEH. This is a right angle triangle. So we can say A square plus B square is equal to C square. According to Pythagoras, we have to prove this line. Now check this triangle. 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle, 4 triangle. What is the area of triangle? 1/2 base into height. Okay. What is the area of a square? Side into side. So area of ABCD is equal to 4 triangle area plus area of EFGH. 4 triangle, 4 into 1/2 base is A, height is B, suppose A into B, and area of A side into side, C into C, and area of ABCD, A plus side into side, here side is A plus B, so A plus B multiplied by A plus B. So this is A plus B whole square. See, this is a previous knowledge, A plus B whole square. Already I spoke about algebra, A plus B whole square. So A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So this is A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to 2AB plus C square. 2AB cancel this C square. So we can say A square plus B square is equal to C square. See my children or my friends, A square plus B square is equal to C square. This is our assumption for right angle triangle. A perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. A very easy way to prove Pythagoras theorem. Now I am coming to solve some question related with the Pythagoras theorem. See, I have already written here Pythagoras related Pythagoras theorem question. First question, second question, third question, fourth question. First of all, this Pythagoras theorem is proved. Now I am going to solve some question about Pythagoras theorem. I will read the question. I will read the question. Question number 1. See, DABC or ABCD is a quadrilateral where angle D is right angle. Question number 1. Figure. I will elaborate this figure. This is like this. This is A, B, C, D. This is 90 degree. We have to prove AB square minus AD square is equal to CD square minus CB square. Nothing. Only if you have to use where the Pythagoras or right angle triangle applicable. Draw it. AC. This is the construction. Join AC. Now you check. This is also angle B is also given 90 degree here in the question. Now you check this AC. AC square is equal to height and base or perpendicular or base. This is CD square plus AD square. And then again AC square in this triangle. This AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now subtract. 0. Here CD square minus AB square plus AD square minus BC square. Now AB square minus AD square. This AB will come this side. This AD will come this side. This is 0. So AB square minus will come positive. This minus AD square is equal to CD square. BC means CB. CB square. Proof. First question. So very easy way to use the Pythagoras theorem. This is of course Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. You will find this kind of a solution here only. So subscribe my channel, give a like. Okay, you will get more easiest way to handle mathematics. Now coming with the second question. Your confidence always gives you knowledge. Knowledge with confidence. This is the vice versa, my dear. Second question. In triangle ABC, suppose a triangle ABC where angle B is 90 degree and D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. It means what? And triangle ABC, this is suppose, this is the figure. Triangle ABC. Question. Where angle B is 90 degree. B is 90 degree. Go with the statement. D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint. Midpoint. See, I am using this one. Midpoint means this side is divided into two equal parts. Okay. So first of all, what to do here? We will write angle B 90 degree. D is midpoint. This implies BD is equal to DC is equal to half of BC. This is the information. Then construction, draw AD. Now, what to prove? First question, we have to prove. First one is AC square is equal to wait, I have to check once again. The question is AC square is equal to AD square. This is not AC. AD square plus 3CD square plus 3CD square. AC square is equal to AD square plus 3CD square. Now AC, this is AC. So you write here AC square is equal to what? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now this AB is not given in the question. but you will write AB according to ADB. So here AB square is equal to AD square minus BD square, this triangle. So you can't write directly here AD square minus BD square plus BC. BC is what? BC is half of BC is 2 of BD or 2 of DC. 2 of BD or 2 of DC. Here in the question DC. So write 2 DC whole square. Now AD square minus BD square plus 4 DC square. BD equal to DC. So AD square minus DC square plus 4 DC square. So AD square minus DC plus 4. So 3 DC square. Proof. AC square. This is Nitin sir. This is Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. All the time I'm telling, this is my confidence, my children's, my students and my friends. If you are getting some knowledge, subscribe my channel. Once again I'm telling, subscribe my channel. You will get more information about 2020 mathematics. In this pandemic situation, you will get more knowledge. Now coming towards the second point, BC square. This BC square is equal to 4 of AD minus AB. Now same question, but the second part. First part is over. Second part is BC square is equal to 4 AD square minus AB square. Suppose this BC. BC is what? BC we will write here AD minus. So BC we will write here 2 of BD whole square is equal to 4 BD square. Now for BD is what? BD is AD minus AB whole square. Check. Proof. One line. This is Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. I am telling this one. This is Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. You will get more knowledge about mathematics every day. So this question is over. I have selected a very good question about Pythagoras theorem for ICSE and CPSC. Now question number 3. A very good question. A previous knowledge comes here in this question. I have made this question in a figure A, B, B, C, C, A. Equilateral triangle. Mark here equilateral triangle. A, B, C. Equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. Here in the question it is given 2A. Okay, fine 2A. D is a midpoint. Previous knowledge. If in equilateral triangle midpoint, so opposite vertex joining with the midpoint, that is median as well as the perpendicular bisector. Previous knowledge. So this is 90 degree. Now this is 2A. This is A. This is A. This is 2A. So this AD is the perpendicular height. We have to prove here what? The AD is equal to A root 3. Apply the Pythagoras theorem here. So Pythagoras theorem, triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. So AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. Perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. AD is not given. AD square is not given. AB 2A whole square. BD is A. So this is 4A square minus A square. This is 3A square is equal to this 3A square AD square. So AD is equal to A root 3. Fine. Height is A root 3. Over. Now the second part of the question is area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Area is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2. This is A. This is A. This is 2A. Height is A root 3. 2 cancel. Root 3 A square. Root 3 A square. A very simple. So this type of a question you will get here in Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. All the time you will get this type of question. Now, coming back to the fourth question. Fourth question. In quadrilateral ABCD diagonal. Very good question. First of all, I am reading the question for you. In quadrilateral ABCD, student always mark this question like a square or rhombus. No, it is not given. Quadrilateral. In quadrilateral ABCD, the diagonal intersect at 90 degree. So first of all, I am making a quadrilateral. I don't know. This is what? Suppose A, B, C, D. I don't know. This is rhombus or something. This is only quadrilateral. What is given? The diagonal intersect at 90 degree. Prove AB square plus CD square. Diagonal intersect. This is 90 degree. What to prove here? AB square plus CD square BC square plus DA square. We have to prove this here. AD square plus CD square. So now what to take here? AB square plus CD square is equal to BC square plus DA square. If this is 90 degree, suppose this is O. Suppose this is O. So AB square this AB square, if this is 90 degree, diagonal intersect at 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. So AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. Again CD square. CD is equal to what? OC square plus OD square. Then BC square. BC square is equal to OB square plus OC square. Again BC. DA square. DA, this is OD square plus OA square. Now, if you see AB plus CD, OC, OA, OB, OD, BC plus DA, OC, OA, OD, all are equal. It means what? Equation 1 and equation 2 are equal, equation 3 and equation 4. If we add equation 1 and 2 and equation 3 and 4, both are equal. That is proved. This is up to you. I hope this Pythagoras theorem, or the way I prove Pythagoras theorem, the way I solve some question of the Pythagoras theorem will always help you in your coming future. Subscribe my channel Mukesh Ravi Mathematics 2020. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye.